would like to review the material I have explained in the previous meeting. That is about capital markets in investment management. Pasar modal di manajemen investasi. Next. Capital market is a market where buyers, and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stock, etc. Jadi pasar di mana penjual dan pembeli berada dalam satu lokasi perdagangan untuk menjual surat berharga seperti obligasi dan saham. The buying or selling is undertaken by participants such as individual and institution. Proses jual beli itu dilakukan oleh orang-orang baik itu individu maupun institusi. Capital market is divided into two parts, primary market and secondary market. Pasar utama dan pasar kedua. Primary market is the financial market where new securities are issued and become available for trading by individual and institution. Pasar keuangan di mana surat berharga itu dijual oleh pihak individu maupun institusi. The trading activities of the capital markets are separated into rising funds from the primary market. Cara meningkatkan modal di pasar utama. Itu public issue, right issue, sama preferential allotment. Isu yang pertama, the most common way to issue securities to the general public. Cara yang paling umum untuk menjual surat berharga ke masyarakat umum. Kalau right issue, a company wants to raise more capital from existing shareholders. It may offer the shareholders more share at a price discounted from the prevailing market price. Jadi sebuah perusahaan ingin meningkatkan modal pemegang saham dengan cara memberikan diskon. Memberikan diskon kepada pemegang saham untuk membeli saham dengan harga tertentu sesuai harga yang berlaku saat itu. Preferential allotment. When a listed company issues share to a few individual at a price that may or may not be related to the market price, it is termed a preferential allotment. Jadi menjual surat berharga ke orang-orang tertentu dengan harga yang khusus, itu namanya preferential allotment. Next. Primary market, bonds or shares. Itu menjual ke bank, baik itu obligasi maupun saham dijual dari bank, dijual ke pihak perusahaan dan juga institusi dijual ke investor. Next. Primary market versus secondary market. Primary market itu it is a way of issuing fresh share in the market. Jadi sebuah cara untuk menjual surat berharga yang baru keluar dari pasar modal tersebut. Kalau secondary market, it is a place where already issued or existing shares are traded. Jadi sebuah tempat di mana saham itu dijual dengan harga yang berlaku pada saat itu. The amount received from the issue of share goes to the company for their business expansion purposes. Digunakan untuk perluasan bisnis. Yang kedua, the amount invested by the buyer of share goes to the seller and hence the company doesn't receive anything. Di sini perusahaan nggak dapat apa-apa. Terjadi jual beli saham antara penjual dan pembeli, akan tetapi pihak perusahaan tidak mendapatkan untung apapun. Kemudian primary market, securities are issued by the companies to the investor. Surat berharga itu dijual dari perusahaan ke para investor. Kemudian securities are exchanged between buyers and seller and stock exchange facilitates the trade. Surat berharga itu dilakukan pertukaran jual beli, buyers dan sellers, penjual dan pembeli, sesuai dengan fasilitas yang ada dalam perdagangan tersebut. Yang bawah baca sendiri ya. Next. Money market versus capital market. Pasar uang dibanding pasar modal. What is market? A market is a place where two parties can gather to facilitate the exchange of goods and service. Sebuah tempat di mana dua golongan itu berkumpul untuk melakukan pertukaran barang dan juga jasa. Next. Financial market. Any marketplace where trading of securities including equities, bond, currencies, and derivative occur. Jadi sebuah tempat di mana aktivitas perdagangan seperti ekuitas, bonds itu obligasi dan juga ini mata uang sama derivatif itu terjadi. Intinya tuh yang dijual tuh itu ya ada ekuitas, ada obligasi, ada ini currencies atau mata uang juga ada. Next. Financial market itu dibagi dua ya, capital market and money market. Capital market is divided into two forms, stock market, pasar saham, dan juga bond market, pasar obligasi. Money market. Money market is one of the main segments of financial market. Pasar uang adalah hal yang paling penting dalam pasar keuangan. It perform the function of mobilizing funds in the economy. Untuk pertukaran saham dalam ekonomi. Main aim, tujuan utamanya to provide short-term finance, untuk menyediakan keuangan jangka pendek ya. Bagi yang membutuhkan segera. Next. Instrumen in money market, ada treasury bill, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, bankers acceptance, sama repurchase agreement. Next. Capital market, the part of a financial system concerned with raising capital by dealing in shares, bond, and other long-term investment. Jadi digunakan untuk investasi jangka panjang ya ini, untuk saham dan juga obligasi yang dijual di pasar modal. Next. Money market versus capital market. Pasar uang dibanding pasar modal. Type of asset, asetnya medium sama asetnya untuk jangka panjang ya. Asetnya untuk jangka panjang dan jangka menengah. Kalau yang money market jangka pendek. Penggunaan uang untuk modal bergerak, sama-sama untuk modal bergerak untuk usaha. Majority of asset, asetnya berlaku lebih dari 1 tahun kalau capital market. Kalau aset yang dibeli dari money market kurang dari 1 tahun. Connecting link, link penghubungnya investor sama wirausaha. Kalau money market itu depositor sama borrower, peminjam. Langsung ini PDF. PDF-nya tadi. Capital market, definition, types, and function. Di di Zoom nggak bisa ini. Terbesar. Capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between the entities. On one side, there are entities that have abundant capital, much more than they require, and on the other side, there are entities who need capital for various purposes. Jadi pasar modal adalah sebuah tempat di mana instrumen keuangan itu diperjualbelikan antara dua golongan. Yang pertama itu golongan butuh dana, yang satu golongan penyedia dana. Tipe pasar modal ada dua, pasar utama sama pasar kedua. The examples of capital market itu stock market sama bond market sama currency and foreign exchange market. Pasar saham, pasar obligasi sama ini ada mata uang, terus ini pasar ini foreign exchange market. Which are the most common capital market? Di sini pasar modal yang paling umum ya stock market sama bond market. Why do we need capital market? Kenapa sih kita butuh pasar modal? Di sini untuk menghubungkan antara orang penyedia dana dan juga ini ya yang membutuhkan dana dengan cepat untuk penggunaan yang produktif. Di dalam feature ini ciri-ciri pasar modal pasti ada dua golongan ya, golongan yang menyediakan dana, supplier sama golongan yang membutuhkan dana. Golongan yang membutuhkan dana itu contohnya apa? People, government sama businesses, masyarakat, terus pemerintah juga ini pengusaha butuh dana. Kalau yang penyalur dana, yang punya dana itu retail sama institutional investor sama investor. Next. Some common example of suppliers of capital, penyedia dana. Ada pension fund, life insurance, non-financial companies, charitable foundation, etc. Some common example of users of capital, pengguna siapa? Ada orang yang butuh untuk membeli ini kendaraan atau rumah, masyarakat lah intinya. Kemudian government, pemerintah, non-financial companies. Inilah non-financial companies itu perusahaan non keuangan. Next. Agak ke atas sedikit. Capital market structure. Capital market structure is made of primary and secondary market. Jadi struktur pasar modal itu ada dua, utama sama second, ya kan? Kalau primary market consists of companies that issue securities and investor who purchase those securities directly from the issuing company. Kalau yang secondary, di mana terjadi perdagangan antara siapa investor dengan antar para investor ya di sini. Fungsinya capital market di sini. Next. Ada banyak di situ. Untuk ini ya menjembatani antara yang penyedia dana, penyalur dana dengan yang butuh dana. Nomor satu. Nomor dua, melakukan transaksi lebih efisien. Yang ketiga, membantu pertumbuhan ekonomi. Yang keempat, terjadi kelanjutan ini, modal. Kalau yang pengen usaha. Yang nomor 5, by ensuring the movement and productive utilization of capital, it helps in boosting national income, dapat meningkatkan income. Nomor 6, minimize transaction cost and information cost, meminimalisir biaya transaksi dan informasi. Nomor 7, make trading of securities easier for companies and investors, menciptakan perdagangan uang berharga yang lebih mudah bagi perusahaan dan para investor. Nomor 8, it offers insurance against market risk. Jadi bisa mengurangi risiko pasar lah. What are the advantages of capital market? Keuntungan pasar modal. Ini terjadi siklus perpindahan uang dari orang yang penyedia dana ke yang butuh dana. Nomor 2, there is more efficiency in transaction. Lebih mudah transaksinya, lebih efisien. Yang nomor 3, securities like shares help in earning dividend income. Bisa mudah surat berharga seperti saham itu mudah didapatkan. With the passage of time, the growth in value of investment is high. Bisa meningkatkan pertumbuhan investasi. Next. The interest rates provided by securities like bonds are higher than interest by bank. Jadi bunga yang didapatkan dari saham itu lebih besar dari bunga dari bank. Can avail tax benefits by investing in stock market. Dapat mendapatkan keuntungan pajak dengan menginvestasikannya di pasar modal. Nomor 7, scope for a wide range of investment, bisa memperluas investasi. Yang 8, securities of capital markets can be used as collateral for getting loans from banks. Surat berharga dari pasar modal dapat digunakan sebagai jaminan untuk mendapatkan pinjaman dari bank. Oke, after I have explained two files, dua file, I would like to ask you to retell the material. And I will give you 30 minutes to prepare. Saya kasih waktu 30 menit. Jadi nanti jam 2:10, I will call your name one by one. And I will take your English score. No reading the note, nggak boleh baca. Please paraphrase atau conclude by your own language. Simpulkan, intinya apa? The material I have shown you, I have explained to you all. Intinya tentang apa? Itu ya. 30 minutes to prepare. Saya kasih waktu 30 menit. At 2:10, jam 2:10, I will call your name one by one. After this occasion, you may stop recording and we will continue to the next with the same link of Zoom. Linknya nanti kan sama ya. Bisa digunakan lagi, terus rekamannya disambung nanti. Itu ya Mbak Arida, bisa kan? Halo?
Ya, Bu.
Bisa, oke. Saya live dulu ya. Arifah, Assalamualaikum. Jam 2 nanti ini ya, on lagi.
Yes, Ma'am.
Punya 30 menit untuk prepare, menyimpulkan intinya tentang apa. Spoken, Resan nanti. Saya panggil namanya.
Menyimpulkan materi tadi ya, Bu?
Ya, betul. Intinya tentang apa. Tapi jangan 1 kalimat, 2 kalimat. Paling enggak 1 paragraf, isinya 10 sampai 15 kalimat. Ya, udah paham kan ini?
Ya, Bu.
Jangan membaca. Nanti turn on kamera. In order I will know which one is reading the note and which one is not. Okay, see you. We will meet again at 2:10 p.m.
Yes, Ma'am.
Yeah. Siapa ini yang? Okay, after I have explained about capital market, I would like to ask you to paraphrase or retell the material I have given to you. Siapa yang mau nyoba? Mbak Putri Alia, please. Turn on your camera.
Bentar, Bu. Capital market is a market where buyer and seller trade financial securities such as bond stock. The capital market structure consists of a primary market and a secondary market. The difference between money market and capital market is money market. The money market is one of the main segments of the financial market which perform the functional of mobilizing funds in the economy. It is main objective to provide short-term financial at a reasonable price to institutions in need. The transaction is short, length general take less than or equal to 3-5 days. Capital market, the financial system long-term investment.
Oke, namanya siapa, Mbak? Tadi?
Putri Alia.
Putri Alia. Next, Mbak Arifa, wanna try? Mbak Arifa,
Yep.
wanna try? Bisanya.
Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers do trade of financial securities like bond and stock. The buying or selling is done by participants like individuals and institutions. There are two types of capital markets, primary market and secondary market. Difference between primary market and secondary market. First, for primary market, underwriters act as intermediaries. For secondary market, brokers act as intermediaries. The second difference, the primary market does not provide liquidity for the stock. For the secondary market, provides liquidity to the stock. Then about money market. The money market is one of the main segments of the financial market. Function of money market is mobilizing fund in the company, in the economy. Purpose of money market is to provide short-term finance. Instrument money market is certificate of deposit and commercial paper.
Full stop or again? Any additional explanation? Ada tambahan lagi atau sudah selesai full stop? Arifa siapa, Mbak?
Arifa Khalida, Bu.
Arifa Khalida. Next. Aulia Rosa, Mbak.
Ya, Bu. Capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between different entities. Capital markets are used to sell equities or stock, debit securities. Capital market, types of capital market, primary market, and secondary market. Explain example for capital market, stock market, bond market, currency and foreign exchange market. In capital market, there are two entities, suppliers and user of capital. Example of suppliers of capital are pension fund, life insurance company, non-financial company, charitable foundation. Example of users of capital, people looking to purchase vehicles, homes, government, non-financial company. Terus function of capital market. It help in economic to grow, minimize transaction cost and information cost. Terus max trading of securities easier for company and investor. Advantage of capital market. There is more efficiency in the transaction. Scope for wide range of investment. Sudah, Bu.
Bu, saya boleh nggak, Bu?
Ya, di sini kamu. Namamu siapa, Mbak, tadi?
Aulia Rosa Fadila, Bu.
Aulia Rosa Fadila. Next, Mas Abdul.
Okay. Capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between different entities. Indicated capital market, there is two types difference. The number one, primary market, and the second, secondary market. For example, in the capital markets, the first stock market and the third bond market and third currency and foreign exchange market. What do you need the capital markets? Capital market is a code in the wheel of the modern economy since capital markets move money from the entities that have money to the entities that require money for productive use. In function capital market, the first capital market bring together those requiring capital and choose having excess capital. Next, capital markets aim to achieve better efficiency interactions, and it helps in economic growth. It ensures that there is the constant availability of funds. Finish.
Sudah, finish.
Saya, Bu.
Abdul Basrofil. Tadi saya siapa ya? Yang bilang saya. Yang mana? Siapa namanya? Pratama.
Iya, Bu.
Ya, please, Mas Pratama.
A capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between different entities. Capital market divide two are primary markets and secondary market. Primary markets consist of companies.
Masnya ini baca apa enggak itu? Baca. Sedikit gimana? Kelihatan banyak kok. Jangan baca ya. Saya nggak nyuruh ngafal, oke. Kayak Mbak ini loh tadi, ada Mbak Arifah, Mbak Olia, Mas Abdul, ada Putri Alia, itu kan apa ya, seingatnya gitu loh.
Oh, baik, Bu.
Nanti ya, siapa yang sudah siap? Who are ready to be the next turn? Giliran selanjutnya siapa yang bersedia? Mbak Retno?
Ya, Bu.
Ya, please.
The capital market is a vehicle to bring together parties who net along a team fund, those who have this fund. So the capital market is a market that trades along this credit in the form of securities shown as stock and bond. Capital market as an activity relation to public offering and security trading. Security namely acknowledgement of debt, commercial securities, shares, but proof of debt and investment contract participant unit. Finish, Mom.
Ya. Retno siapa, Mbak?
Retno Wahyuningrum.
Retno Wahyuningrum. Next. Siapa yang mau nyoba? Rahma Devi.
Bentar, Bu.
Ya.
Capital market is a market where buyer and seller enact in trade of financial security like bond stock. Capital markets, there are two, that is primary market and secondary market. The market is a place where buyer and seller meet to conduct economy transaction. Finally, market divided into a capital market and money market. Money market is a market group was long-term credit instrument generally have high quality to be traded. Udah, Bu.
Ya. Rahma Devi. Dah. Terus siapa lagi? Dwita Putri Melsa. Dwita Putri Melsa. Dwita Putri
Capital
Melsa.
market are mainly divided into two different levels. When pre-market to security market, capital market express the extent of capital market are given market. Which are the market, stock market, and body market are contained in March from capital market. When will next the capital market? Capital market anchored in the modern asset capital market of money. From the ability to have money to tell at least the required money. Productive first. Capital market factors. In capital market, there are two activities on both factors, capital, and the third activity is the on next capital. Sudah, Bu.
Sudah. Dwita Putri Melsa. Alaidia Audi.
Capital markets, its primary market and secondary markets. Example of capital markets is stock market, bond market, currency and foreign exchange market. Capital market is a place where different financial instruments and trade between different entities. The advance of the capital market, money movie between people who need capital and those who have capital. More efficient in transaction. Securities such as stock help in obtaining dividend income. Over time, the growth of investment value becomes high. The interest rate given by securities such as bond is higher than the interest rates given by bank can take advantage of tax benefits by investing in the stock market. Sovereign market securities can be used as collateral to obtain loans from bank.
Yes. Alaidia Audi apa ya, Mbak?
Puanesa.
Audi Puanesa.
Yeah.
Next. Patria Widya Hapsari.
Ya, Bu.
Ya.
Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stocks, and others. A capital market has two types. One is primary market, two secondary market. One of the difference is on primary market, security can be sold just once, but on the secondary market, securities can be sold innumerable times. Capital market have function is one, it helps in economic growth. Two, minimize transaction costs and information costs. Three, it offers insurance against market risk. Example of capital market is one, stock market, bond market, and currency. Capital market has advantage is when securities like share help in earning dividend income. Two, there is more efficiency in transaction. And three, scope for wide range of investment. Sudah, Bu.
Waktu Zoom-nya tinggal 10 menit, Bu.
Oh ya, tinggal Mbak Amanda Saputri mau nyoba.
Mau, Bu.
Ya, please.
Capital market is a market where buyer and sellers include in trend of financial security like bonds, stock, ads. The buying selling is undertaken by participants, thus an individual and institution. The market is a place where buyer and sellers meet to conduct economic transaction, namely to sell or buy goods and service. Money market is a market group where was long-term credit instrument generally have equality to the trade. Sudah, Bu.
Ya, oke, Mbak. Terus yang belum siapa lagi ini?
Saya, Bu.
Siapa? Saya itu siapa? Namanya?
Dika.
Dika, ya Mas Dika. Turn on kamera Mas Dika. Kameranya on.
Kameranya.
Mas Dika kan. Ini Mas Pratama atau Dika ini yang ngomong?
Mas
Ya,
Dika.
Dika Prambudi nih. Ya, yuk.
Yeah. Capital market is a cog in the wheel of the modern economy. Since the capital market
ini baca ya,
money,
baca ya ini ya.
Enggak,
baca
Bu.
enggak ini? Enggak. Coba kameranya di atas ke. Jangan jempol gitu. Nah. Oke.
Ulang, Bu.
Ulang.
Capital market is a cog in the wheel of the modern economy. Since the capital market of move money from the entities that have money to the entities that require money for productive use. Capital market futures in capital market, there are two entities, one who supplies capital and the other entity is the one who net capital.
Need, bukan net, need.
Primary, need capital. Primary market consists of companies that issue securities and investor who purchase those securities directly from the issuing company. Sudah, Mam?
Ya. Ya.
Mam, boleh
Ada
coba
lagi?
kedua, Mam?
Coba. Siapa yang coba kedua?
Saya, Mam, mau mencoba.
Iya, oke.
Capital market is a place where different between entities, and then capital market has two are primary and secondary, and then the example of capital market is one currency, two stock market, three bond, and then function of capital market is apa ya? It help economic growth. Bon, Ma'am.
Udah. Ini waktunya masih berapa menit, Mas Abdul?
Ada notifnya tinggal 10 menit, Bu, tadi, Bu. Ini tinggal 3 menit ya, Bu?
3 menit?
Oke.
3 menit ya. Ada tambahan lagi atau full stop ini? Kalau yang belum nanti bikin YouTube ya. Retail ini tadi, the material I have explained to you. And send the link in YouTube. I will inform you if I have made the location to submit your task.
Saya Bu mau mencoba.
Siapa? Pandi.
Muhammad Adil Rafli.
Ya, ya mana orangnya? Mas Rafli.
Capital market is a market where buyer and seller trade financial securities such as bonds, stocks. The capital market structure consists of a primary market and a secondary market. The primary market consists of company that is security and investor who boost team. Secondary market is a place where trading of already issued certificate, but when investor is supervised by regulator bodies. A financial market is in place where security trade including equities, bond, and currency.
Ya udah. Yang belum bikin YouTube ya. Okay, I think that's all today. See you for upcoming occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nanti hasilnya disambung ya, Mas. Biar jadi satu link YouTube.
Siap, Bu.
Ya, oke. Salib ya. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.